Welcome to another session of Simatic Manager. In today's session, we will see how we can calculate the total flow of water or any liquid using the flow meter with 4 to 20 milliamps output signal. Before starting this session, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay connected for more upcoming video tutorials. We can make Totalizer in two steps. Step 1, we will convert the flow meter signal, which is 4 to 20 milliamperes, to flow rate, liter per second. Step 2, we will make the cyclic interrupt to add the flow meter reading after every 1 second. Interval to make a totalizer. For example, if the flow rate is 2 liter per second, it means that in 10 seconds, total flow will be 20 liters. So let's start today's session. As you can see that I have connected analog flow meter with CPU at channel 0. Let's start the programming. First, we will make a project in the Simatic Manager and add a CPU in the hardware configuration. In case if you are new to this Simatic Manager software and want to learn how to create a new project in it, the video link is in the description box. Once the project is created and the CPU 3142DP is added, if you come down here, you can see that the channel 0 analog input address is PAW752. Now to configure the analog channel 0 as current input, we have to open this properties and go to its inputs. Here we can change the measuring type as the current input and measuring range as 4 to 20 milliamps. And now just save and compile the hardware configuration. Next, we will go back to the organization block 1. Here we can make a logic to scale the analog input using function FC105. We will expand the standard library menu, and from here we will go to the converting blocks, and we can drag and drop FC105 scale block onto the network. PAW752 will be our analog input for the channel 0. Here we have to scale the low and high limits of the analog signal. Since I am using the flow meter with 20 milliamperes output at 20 liters flow, so we have to set the high limit as 2 and low limit as 0. MD50 will be the scaled value of the flow transmitter. Now we can make a cyclic interrupt to keep on adding the current flow of the water every second. To do this, we will add a OB35 cyclic interrupt block into our program. I will just arrange these windows side by side. First of all, we will insert a NC contact of M0.0, and this contact will remain normal closed throughout the program. Next, we will insert a addition function, and here we will add MD50, which is scaled value, to the MD200 data register. The output will be again moved to the MD200. Now what will happen? Every second this OB35 is called, and this network 1 will be executed after every 1 second. And what it will do, it will add the current value of the flow into the MD200 and keep on doing this whole day. It will create a totalizer, and the total value of the flow will be stored in the MD200. We can make a comparison to start or stop the flow of the water by comparing the total flow and the preset value. Once the total flow have reached the preset value, it will automatically turn off the inlet water valve. Next, we have to change the interval time for this OB35 block. We'll go to the hardware configuration, double click on the CPU, and go to the cyclic interrupt menu. Here you can see the OB35. We can change it to 1000 milliseconds, which means it will be called after every 1 second. It will be called after every 1000 milliseconds, which is equal to 1 second. Now we will load the program into the CPU and go online to monitor the program. As you can see that we have started the flow of the water and the analog signal is being converted to the flow. Right now the flow is 0.5 liter per second. In OB35 block, the flow is being added every second to make a totalizer. As you can see that after 18 liters, the output valve goes off to stop the flow. So this is how we can make a totalizer to measure the total flow of the water or any liquid using an analog flow transmitter. I hope you liked today's video. Please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials.